I want to say thank you, sir. I am going to tell about the importance of mobile. Means it's too much important for us because you know that means only because of phone, our ancestors they face lots of problem in their life. Means we all want to develop our country. So for developing our country, we should use phone also. Means we should involve in digital age. Only because of phone, I am looking lots of means person, lots of students. They are getting education. They are getting well education, and they are going means they are achieving his goal, their goal also because of mobile. So means I want to say that means we should use mobile in a good way, and we should care about that means on which way we are using. If you are using in a wrong way, that is wrong for means bad for you. If you are using in a good way, then of course you will get success in your life. It's my view.
चलिए यादव जी. Thank you, my honorable teacher, for giving me this golden chance to speak something about debate class and you know about this is the modern age. If you want to learn this, if you want to learn this language, then mobile is very important because you look today I talk someone and I want to learn some skill and that person say and have you knowledge about this language and if you have no knowledge about this language then you learn by Google also and you search and after you can also learn and that person say and you search my college, where is my college, because of mobile and I know where is that college. And if you want to be a boss, then mobile is very important for our life.
Okay, you speak.
Thank you, sir, for giving me golden opportunity to say something about mobile phone. Really, sir, mobile phone is very harmful for a student life. Because, so I can say that if you avoid a mobile phone, then we can get success. So this is very big matter for our health. So I can say that mobile phone is very harmful for our body.
You speak.
Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity. Really, for a student life, phone is very helpful for us. Because of a phone, a student don't care their goal. They using phone a lot and they don't study. And because of phone, they distract their goal and they don't succeed their life. Only because of phone. If they avoid phone and they study honestly, of course they can succeed in their life. So if a student avoid phone, of course they can succeed.
Okay. Now time is over to ask the question each other. I have already said you that you have to note the point of all the speeches and maybe you have noted also. Then according to that you have to ask the question each other. Anyone can start the asking.
My question with phone. You have said that without operating phone we can't survive our life. How can you say that without operating phone we can't survive our life? In earlier time our ancestors did not have phone, but they survived their life beautiful, better than us. And they used to think about our country, but now the youth are using Instagram. They are only watching reels. They are not focusing about our country. They are not thinking. So how can you say that without operating phone we can't survive our life?
Do you know a thing why I was said?
Why did I say?
Why did I say without operating our phone we can't live our life? Because we know if we have to talk with someone, then phone is needed, and for calling someone, operating phone is needed. Because of which I have said, and in your question you have included our youngsters. They don't think about our country. No, you are wrong here. They are thinking about their country because you know you are talking about Instagram. If you follow some of the news channels, then you realize sudden you can get any news through Instagram in a short time. Because of which we should operate our phone and we should use those all things in a good way. Do you understand?
But if you are watching reels, if you are watching a short video, but you can't remember that thing in your mind for a long time because your mind doesn't recover that thing because you are you constantly scrolling the reels. So if you watch reels, then your mind cannot develop. So mobile phone is very harmful.
Why only I doesn't have buy phone for watching reels. I have except Instagram. I have a lot of apps, and we know very well about app. His name is Seekho app. With the help of that Seekho app, while sliding reel, we can learn many more things.
I have also used that thing, and I have lost my 2,000 rupees.
For what?
Because first time they said that you have to pay only 1 rupee. But by paying 1 rupee.
But his 6 months subscription is approximately for 99. But you are saying 2,000.
She did not know, na. She did not know that I have to pay, but I have to get subscription only for 6 months.
I have waste 2,000 rupees.
Seekho, through Seekho apps, a lot of person they have scammed. A lot of person has scammed by Seekho. Look, in my village there is a lot of person they search. They have scammed by Seekho. They told me that I have pay 1 rupees and automatically my account money has debiting. Then what happened?
Then
They
you
take
have
money by auto
you have auto debit.
And just before some time you told. Just before some time you told. Listen, please.
So you have off auto debit by your phone pay.
But a lot of person they did not know what happened. What is
They
the thing?
They should know.
Speak one by one, please. Speak one by one.
Just before some time you have told that if you follow some of the person who have idea a lot, then you have told that some of the but maximum person they are becoming nachaniya, like they are becoming dancer. Then what happened on Instagram? What happened? How
Every single person has to have
Listen.
Look, let me
You have
ask
to know that from dance they earn lots of money. Compared to jobber, if you look dancer, then they earn lots of money. Then here what you want to say?
But no.
99%, 9 people.
only a single person has to experience.
Like you.
How can you say that, brother, like me?
If you want to earn money on Instagram, then there you can also earn money.
Then how many? A fewer person is
I
earning
make you
money.
understand. Listen me. I make you understand. If you
Okay.
want to earn money on Instagram, then there you can also earn money. But for earning money on Instagram, we should work hard behind Instagram. If you want to operate anything, then if you upload that thing on Instagram, then there also many of the platform are available, company are available. They call you, they message you, and they said you please promote my things. If you promote that thing, then you can also earn money.
This one is a tool of distraction.
No,
So if
this
you
one
are
is
distracted, just before some time I have explained, then if you are using like if you are thinking then I am study, that in while study I have show in library also in everywhere I have show that if I have shown if a person is studying, then if a notification comes, then definitely there what happened? No, brother, this is right.
Listen, here matter is that here silent mode is also available. If you want to study in library, then there you can also study. But except Instagram, there is many of the platform are available. YouTube, Gyan Bindu app also available. GK, GS also available. Like this platform available. Through that you can gain many of the things which is important in your life, in your study also. But when you speak about Instagram, then I also accept Instagram is harmful. But there is many of the things are available. You can uninstall also. You can get many of the knowledge by YouTube, by many of the platform available which is provided by our sir. So through those all things you can you can get higher education.